We will go out. We will go out. I didn't delay. I didn't delay. We made friends. We made friends. What are you doing? What are you doing? She is reading. She is reading. I will take a bath. I will take a bath. I won't be able to work. I won't be able to work. I know him. I know him. He is talking. He is talking. We are walking in the garden. We are walking in the garden. We saw the rain. We saw the rain. He has fallen asleep. He has fallen asleep. You drive the car. You drive the car. He recognized me. He recognized me. He asked a question. He asked a question. She bought a book. She bought a book. We will listen to music. We will listen to music. I will eat at night. I will eat at night. I have taken the money. I have taken the money. You have written well. You have written well. I am making tea. I am making tea. I am going to school. I am going to school. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. You don't know. You don't know. Will you help? Will you help? Will you have tea? Will you have tea? I made a call. I made a call. We will watch a movie. We will watch a movie. They have started the game. They have started the game. I am not feeling well. I am not feeling well. He is playing with us. He is playing with us. Are you driving the car? Are you driving the car? She is calling. She is calling. I will close the door. I will close the door. She is reading her book. She is reading her book. Are you running? Are you running? I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. You are making a mistake. You are making a mistake. What are you eating? What are you eating? I will walk on the street. I will walk on the street. Did you understand? Did you understand? I couldn't recognize him. I couldn't recognize him. We listen to music. We listen to music. Are you going to class? Are you going to class? Do you know? Do you know? She will come early. She will come early. You are late. You are late. I have finished the work. I have finished the work. I will let you know. I will let you know. Do you know? Do you know? He has woken up. He has woken up. She lives far away. She lives far away. I bought the book. I bought the book. I didn't mind. I didn't mind. He has gone to the shop. He has gone to the shop. Are you waiting? Are you waiting? She has learned cooking. She has learned cooking. I am busy today. I am busy today. I opened the window. I opened the window. He is going to the market. He is going to the market. Where are you going? Where are you going? She is studying. She is studying. He is cooking. He is cooking. She is singing a song. She is singing a song. Did you see him? Did you see him? I opened the book. I opened the book. He has forgotten everything. He has forgotten everything. We are cooking rice. We are cooking rice. Are you at home? Are you at home? We will call him. We will call him. I lost my passport. I lost my passport. Will you close the window? Will you close the window? I will go with you. I will go with you. She goes to school. She goes to school. I am working. I am working. He will come home. He will come home. We are watching a movie. We are watching a movie. They are sleeping. They are sleeping. You are looking at me. You are looking at me. You won't go to school. You won't go to school. Did you take the pen? Did you take the pen? She listened to me. She listened to me. You wrote well. You wrote well. She talked to me. She talked to me. We played outside. We played outside. What are you doing? What are you doing? I told him. I told him. He is reading a story. He is reading a story. We informed him. We informed him. Are you going to the shop? Are you going to the shop? I really don't know. I really don't know. He's sitting in the room. He's sitting in the room. I will eat. I will eat. He goes to the office. He goes to the office. Are you working? Are you working? Will you help me? Will you help me? They didn't come to school today. They didn't come to school today. Do you know where he is? Do you know where he is?